Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how we can install Java in our Windows operating system. So whenever we are going to start to write any code, so before that we have to install the JDK in our system, in our operating system. So this is today's agenda, that how we can install Java in our Windows operating system. So let's start. So we have to maintain few steps. What are those? First, we have to go to here is the search box. You can see that this is the Windows search. So here you have to go and just click and search CMD. Just search CMD, means command prompt. Now enter. So command prompt will open. So first of all, here we have to check that already Java has been installed in your system or not. Java is already being installed or not in your system. First, you have to check that. How we can check that? Just you have to write Java space minus minus version. Java space minus minus version. Then just hit and enter. So you can see that my system Java is already installed. But if you are trying from, first time you are trying to install the Java, then your system that will not be shown. Okay, some another error line you can see here. As I have already installed that, so that's why I can see this Java is already installed. Some version is showing here, but in your system maybe this will not shown. Okay, so this is the first step. First we have to check that Java is already being installed or not. So let's say Java is not installed in your system and you are trying from the very sketch level. Then what we have to do? So first step is done. Okay. Now second, then what we have to do? Then we have to download the Java. Then we have to install it. So how we can download or where we can download? Let's see that. Then you have to go to the Google Chrome. Okay, Chrome. Just here you have to type Java download. Here you have to type Java download. Just hit and enter. Just hit and enter. Lots of URL you can show, like Java downloads, this is the oracle.com, this is the java.com site, etc, etc. So you have to go to that, this oracle.com URL. Just click on that URL and you can see this kind of page, like this is the download space. This is the Java download. See? Okay. So now here Java downloads already selected here. Here lots of available versions are present. So whatever version as per your choice, you can download that. Okay. Java 24, Java 21, any other earlier version you can show. You can see. Now, so let's say I want to install the latest version, that is the JDK 24 or Java 24. So what is JDK, what is JRE, what is JVM? I'll discuss, no problem on that. But as of now, JDK means Java Development Kit. Okay, so this we have to install this so that we can access the Java. So if you are not installing the JDK, you cannot use the Java. Okay, so we have to install the JDK. So now let's say I am clicking on that JDK 24. This is JDK 21. This is the JDK for 20. This is the Graal VM version. So we just need the JDK 24. So I'm clicking on here JDK 24. Maybe in your, so after, if you seen after few days, maybe JDK 25 should be there, JDK 26 should be there, whatever latest version you can see, you just click on that. Now here, as per operating system, Linux, Mac OS and Windows, different operating system are seeing here. So as we are installing the JDK or Java in our Windows operating system, so simply we have to click on the Windows tab. So I'm clicking on the Windows tab. So here three options are there. One is 64 compressed archive, one is 64 installer, and another is 64 MSI installers. Then what we have to do? Simple, we have to click on that download. This is the 64 compressed archive. We have to click on this link. Okay, just click on this link. Just click on this. So now download has been started. Okay, so download is in progress. You can see that download started. Okay, so it will take some time, maybe 10 to 15 seconds. It will take as per your internet speed. So now let's say my JDK has been downloaded. Let's say this, yes, this is downloaded now. Then what we have to do? We have to go to this folder. So now this is downloaded. So what we have to do? We have to just cut this file. Just Control X and go to any operating system. Then go to any folder, any drive. Go to any drive. Let's say I am on my this drive. And here, just as you are trying from the very sketch level, very beginner level. So let's, what you have to do? Here, just click on new folder. You have to create a new folder. Let's say I am creating a new folder, that is Java. So whatever needed for the Java, we will keep it here. That's why I have created a folder called Java. So here simply I have pasted down over here. Okay, I have pasted it. Now then what we have to do? This is a compressed file. You can see that this is a compressed zip folder. So we have to extract this folder. So now I have to right click on that, then extract all, then extract. Now file is extracting. Okay, it will take some time, 5 to 6 seconds. Now let's see, this is downloaded. This is extracted. Now what we have to do? The previously compressed file I am deleting. Only the extract file is here. Now, so what step we have still now? What step we have followed? First, we have to go to the command prompt. Then we have to type a command like Java space -- version and enter. And you will be seen that no Java or no JDK is installed. So some error message should be shown like Java is not installed, JDK is not installed, like that. So we have to check that Java is being installed or not previously. From previously Java is being installed or not. Okay. If not, then we have to go to the oracle.com site, and as per our choice, we can download any JDK version. So we have downloaded the latest version, that is JDK 20. Now we have created a folder of any drive. It's a fresh folder. Whatever things or whatever what we will use for the Java perspective, everything we will kept it in this Java folder. Okay, I have created a Java folder. Now here I have pasted the Java or JDK version, JDK downloaded version, JDK 24. I have extracted this. Complete. Step 2 complete. Now we have to follow the step 3. What we have to do? Then we have to go to that Windows search option. See, Windows search. Now here we have to type edit. Yes, this one. Edit the system environment variables. You have to just type here, edit the system environment variables. Okay, this is the edit the system environment variable. Just click on here. Now a pop-up will be shown, that is system properties. Okay, simply we have to click on that environment variables button. See, environment variables. Just click on it. Now immediately a pop-up should be shown like one is environment variables, one is system variables. So whatever we have to do, we have to do here this system variable section. What we have to do? Here we have to follow 2 steps. Remember that 2 steps. First, we have to give the Java home directory value. Then we have to set the path. How we can do that? Now, here we can see that a button called new. Just click on new. Just click on new. Now, here 2 things are there. One is variable name, then one is variable value. So in that variable name, we have to write Java _ home. But remember one thing, that every spelling, the text should be in capital letter. Every letter should be in capital. Java _ home. Every letter should be in capital. Java _ home. This is the variable name. Now we have to provide the variable value. So what value we can provide, or where we can get the variable value? Very simple. Now we have downloaded the JDK 24 in this Java folder, right? Java folder. Now you have to just open that. Now you can see that Java 24.0.1. Okay. Now again enter that. Okay. So now I am on this folder. I mean JDK 24.0.1. Simply click on here in the top URL and just copy. Just copy the path. Just copy the path and simply paste it here. Okay. Let's see this again. The very critical, very tricky. Okay, so we have to follow this more carefully. Let's say. So what we have to do? We have downloaded the Java here in this folder. So this is the downloaded Java JDK version. Just click on here. Just click on here. We have to copy this from the top header. Okay. Okay, so we have to copy it here. Copy it and simply we have to paste it over here. After paste, just click on OK. So I'm not doing this OK because I have already set that system variables. I've already set it. Let's see. So here this is Java home. You can see that I have already set it. Java home. I have kept it the Java JDK 19 in the C drive. So that's why it's showing here. Okay. So simply whatever step I shown you, we have to follow that. Now click on OK. Just click on OK. Okay. Okay. So one step is done. One step is done. Again, we have to follow the next step. What is the step? We have to set the path. We have to set the path. How we can set that? Again, you have to go to the search option and again search edit the system environment variable. Click on here. Again, the same process. Go to environment variables. Now, in the system variables, you can see that here one path is there. You can see this path. Just double click on that path. So a new pop-up will be appear. Just double click on the path. Now here we have to keep the path. How we can do that? Either we can click on here. We can double click here. Now we can type anything. Okay. Now or you can just click on new. So you can type it here. Okay. Now, where I can get the path, that is the important. So, whenever I have added or whenever I have set that Java home variable, then what we have done, we have just taken the URL, taken the path from here, right? That is JDK 24.0.1. Just we have to move forward, one step move forward. Means after that you have to, let's say, I am on that Java folder. Okay. Now the JDK 24 Windows 64 bin, enter JDK 24.0.1. Now I am in this path. So we have taken that to make the Java home variables path set. Now for that, now we have to set the path, Java path. Then one step forward, enter that bin folder. Now I am on that bin folder. So here lots of DLL files are there. Like in this particular bin folder, the Java is present. See, Java application, the Java dog, this is a Java compiler, lots of Java, everything related Java is present in this bin folder. That's why we have to simply copy this path from the header. That is, you can see that one step move forward, that is /bin. Copy it. Now we have to set it here. That's it. Okay. Then click on OK. I have already done it. You can see that C program file Java /JDK19/bin. I have already done it. So that's why I'm not doing it. So you can just paste it here. Then click on OK. Okay. So that is done. So now we have successfully set the system variables using Java home variable and we have successfully set the path. Now everything is completed. We have done the Java installation. Okay. Now what we have to do? You can just restart your laptop or restart your computer. Okay. Or then if you want, you can just pause that command window. You can just close that, then again open that command prompt, command window. Now just type same thing, java class version, java space minus minus version. Now enter. In your system, it will be shown that like Java 24.0.1, the version should be shown. Okay. Or you can check one more command, that is java c is minus minus version. What is that? The Java compiler version. So everything will be run by using compiler. So I am seeing that Java compiler is already being installed or not. Simple. So whenever we are installing the JDK, so same time Java compiler will be installed. No problem at all. Okay. But we're just checking. We're just verifying that yes, it's installed or not. Java C space minus minus version, enter. You can see that Java Java compiler version is also installed here. Now we have completed that installation process of JDK in our Windows operating system. So in your system, you try this, whatever step I told you, just follow the same step and you will be seeing that Java is ready in your system. Okay. If you are not done with that, you just comment me so I can help you. If you guys like my video, share with this your nearest friends. If you like my video, one thumbs up. See you in the next videos with some another topic. Thank you.